Here is our list of the best docking stations you can buy right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The Ivanky FusionDock Max 1 is an ultra-premium docking station designed exclusively for MacBook Pro users who demand maximum performance and connectivity for professional workflows. Built around 4 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, each delivering up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth, the dock enables an exceptionally powerful expansion setup that few users will fully saturate. Its standout feature is support for up to 4 6K external displays, a capability that is restricted to recent high-end MacBook Pro models and clearly positions the dock for advanced workstation use rather than casual setups. In addition to display support, the dock offers an extensive range of high-speed connections, including 5 USB-A ports and 6 USB-C ports, all designed to handle extremely fast data transfers for large files and demanding peripherals. This makes it particularly well-suited for professionals working in video editing, 3D rendering, animation, photography, and other data-intensive tasks involving large media libraries or complex project files. The overall design and performance headroom mean the dock is difficult to overwhelm unless paired with a serious high-end workstation configuration. However, its biggest limitation is platform compatibility, as it is built solely for macOS and offers no support for Windows or other systems. Combined with its premium price, this makes the Ivanky FusionDock Max 1 a highly specialized product, best suited for users who are intentionally building a top-tier professional Mac workstation and are willing to invest heavily for maximum connectivity, display capability, and long-term performance scalability. The Satechi 444K display docking station is designed for users who require reliable and efficient multi-monitor support for productivity-focused workflows. It can power up to 3 external displays simultaneously, using 1 dedicated HDMI output and 2 flexible outputs that support either HDMI or DisplayPort connections. Each display runs at up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, delivering sharp visuals and smooth performance, ideal for office work, content creation, design tasks, and media consumption. While the dock is not intended for high refresh rate gaming or performance-heavy visual workloads, it prioritizes stability and consistency, which are critical for professional environments. On the connectivity side, the front-facing USB-C and USB-A ports offer fast 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, enabling quick read and write performance for external SSDs, hard drives, and other high-speed peripherals. Power delivery is intentionally modest at 7.5 watts, reflecting the dock's focus on data performance rather than charging laptops or power-hungry devices. An additional USB-C port is included specifically to optimize storage performance instead of supplying power. The rear USB ports also maintain strong and reliable transfer speeds, ensuring consistent performance regardless of port placement. Overall, the Satechi 444K display docking station is a well-balanced solution for users who value clean desk setups, fast data access, and dependable triple-monitor support, making it particularly appealing for professionals seeking an efficient and clutter-free multi-display workstation. The Satechi Dual Dock Stand reimagines the traditional docking station by combining port expansion with an ergonomic laptop stand design. Instead of functioning as a simple external hub, it sits directly beneath the laptop, raising it at a comfortable viewing angle while helping maintain a clean, organized desk by routing all cables to the rear. Every port on the dock is rear-facing, contributing to a clutter-free setup, and the available connections include multiple USB ports along with 3 display outputs for flexible external monitor configurations. Practical hardware touches, such as a physical power switch on the back and a rubberized top surface, enhance stability and prevent the laptop from slipping during use. One of the most distinctive features is the built-in SSD enclosure located on the underside of the stand, which allows users to add internal style storage for large files, applications, creative assets, or even a desktop game library without occupying extra desk space or relying on external drives. Connectivity is handled through 2 USB-C connectors with an adjustable sleeve, allowing the dock to adapt to different laptop port placements. For basic functionality, a single USB-C connection is sufficient, but both cables are required to enable dual 4K HDMI display output. While the dock does not include its own power adapter, it supports USB-C power delivery of up to 75 watts, providing adequate charging for most modern laptops while maintaining its sleek all-in-one workstation design. The Anker 568 USB-C docking station is a versatile, well-rounded solution built for users who want solid multi-display support and fast data performance without paying ultra-premium prices. It supports up to 3 external monitors through a mix of HDMI and DisplayPort connections, each capable of running at 4K resolution at 60 Hz. This makes it a strong choice for productivity-focused workstations, content creators, and multi-monitor office environments that prioritize clarity and stability over extreme display configurations. The dock features a generous selection of ports, including multiple USB-A and USB-C connections that deliver fast transfer speeds for external SSDs, hard drives, and everyday peripherals. A high-wattage USB-C power delivery port allows efficient laptop charging while simultaneously powering connected devices, reducing cable clutter and simplifying desk setups. Its clean, compact design helps it fit neatly on a desk without dominating workspace, appealing to users who value both performance and aesthetics. Although the Anker 568 does not reach the advanced bandwidth or cutting-edge display capabilities of high-end Thunderbolt docking stations, it focuses instead on reliability, ease of use, and balanced functionality. This approach makes it suitable for the majority of users who need dependable triple display output, strong data throughput, and consistent charging in a single device. Overall, the Anker 568 stands out as a practical, cost-effective docking station that delivers an excellent mix of features and performance for everyday professional and home office use. The Kensington Thunderbolt 5 docking station is a robust desk-focused solution designed for users who prioritize performance, durability, and future-ready connectivity over compact size. It is noticeably thick, heavy, and bulky compared to many docks, but since it is intended to remain stationary on a desk, its size becomes an advantage rather than a drawback. The solid aluminum construction gives it a premium look and a reassuring sense of long-term durability, making it suitable for professional environments where reliability matters. One of its biggest strengths is its well-balanced Thunderbolt 5 implementation, featuring 3 downstream Thunderbolt 5 ports that deliver exceptionally fast data transfer speeds. These ports are particularly forward-looking, as their value will continue to increase with the release of next-generation Thunderbolt accessories, high-speed storage devices, and advanced displays. The inclusion of a manual power button on the rear adds practical convenience, allowing users to easily control power without unplugging cables. A notable omission is an HDMI port, but this is a common design trade-off in newer Thunderbolt 5 docks, where manufacturers often prioritize additional Thunderbolt connections instead of legacy display outputs. Despite its large footprint, the dock offers a thoughtful mix of essential features and high-end performance. When available at a discounted price, sometimes dropping below $300, it delivers strong overall value, making it an appealing option for professionals seeking a powerful, future-proof Thunderbolt 5 docking station without sacrificing build quality or core functionality.